Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, said that Biafra will never come. It'll be smart, you know. They say those people were going to protest for justice for Mohbad. They say police don't go shoot them for Lekki Toll Gate again. This is happening. They say some student for Zamfara say kidnappers, bandits don't come invade their camp and kidnap them. Hello my wonderful people, yeah, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. I beg you, as you enter inside this channel, may you not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to follow this particular page. Turn on your notification bell for inside YouTube so that you're gonna get our updates back to back. Now so we see more, and now so they bring and they can't give you. If things are really happening as we they talk right now, no be smarting. They say Kasala don't boss and Yawa don't gas. Let's go and look into the Ogwenge news what we get for hand today. No be smart, you know. The Nabi governor of Imo State will be Hope Uzodinma. In previous video come outside come talk say Biafra will never come. Say Ojuku try, you no get am. Who think say go fit get am again? I will go play you the video, may you watch it. Because na Imo State now be the hottest zone as it dey happen. So mo play the video for you, may you watch before we come back. A lot of story day today. Stay tuned.
I said in many fora that 50-something years ago, Odumegwu Ojukwu wanted Biafra through confrontation to federal government, and he was not able to achieve it with the amount of money available to him, arising from the father's wealth and other well-meaning Igbo people. 50-something years after, how do you think that that thing that didn't work will now work in a digital age? So it doesn't make sense to any reasonable mind and should not be supported by any reasonable mind.
So yeah, I've heard everything that this man said. Do you think that these people will ever repent, and do you think that these people will ever think good for the people? The answer is capital no. Anybody who is dreaming that anybody that entered that devilish office which they called governor office or the government session in Nigeria today, once you manage to become anyone's leader, either from governor to the presidency, local government chairman, to anyone, you have said your soul. You have finally what? Said your soul. At the country that shares blood every blessed day. If government did not share blood, criminals will share blood, kidnappers share blood. All kinds of things are happening in this particular country. And what they know how to do best, when you talk the truth, they will start looking for you. Nonsense. You see what this man said? Do you think that these people can ever change for once? The answer is capital no, like I said before. So I want make you leave your own comment and your own opinion regarding what this Hope Uzodinma said in this particular video. My people, not be smart, you know. Mo go look waiting the shell for toll gate. The same toll gate. If they massacre people, shoot people, people jump into like gold, they don't even see them till today. The same toll gate again, now they carry Mohbad protest go meet. And they say for that same toll gate, they don't, I will not show that video here. It's horror. They tear gas, they shoot live bullet to the people again in the same toll gate. So we are going to show you the video, what happened there, for you to hear by yourself. When we come back, we'll continue.
They don't pursue us with tear gas, so they don't pursue us with tear gas like this. Mona, beg, don't touch your eyes, so don't touch your eyes.
Don't touch your eyes, so.
Don't touch your eyes, so.
Welcome back. As you have watched that video and see how they are running for their life regarding the protests as police invaded there and start throwing tear gas. You see, one thing is that when you tell Nigeria youth the truth, they will start cursing you. They will start cursing you. The people who died in Toge just died for nothing. And anybody who will die in this one just die for nothing. The truth is very bitter, but is when you accept it, you enjoy it. Yes, Mohbad needed justice. But there is something that facing us. Your mandate, you waste your time shouting obedient. You voted and your vote did not count. None of you come aside to say no. We voted for so people. If you are fighting for your right, or maybe you are fighting coming out to protest for your right and died, it's more better that you are fighting for someone justice. You die. Who will fight for your own justice? Anything you are doing, use your brain. If they go use them for you, some people go use them shine for you. I don't say you should not go to protest. You should not ask for Mohbad this thing. But we in Nigeria, we have a problem that faces us right now. The youth need to wake up like other countries are waking up. But you people are waking up for nonsense. Do you know that so many of them that go into that to coming out there to protest, they don't even know Mohbad. They don't even know where they are going to. They don't even know anything. I will play you a video for you to watch. They don't even know what is happening, where Mohbad is from. They don't even know. Okay, let's watch this video.
But this one, now wear black and black. What did they happen?
Sure. Our guy will die.
What is the name?
Sure, Mohbad.
Mohbad?
Yeah.
Who be Mohbad?
I want Calabar guy where they say he work for your Ghana, Mali. He not settle and now he can send people go kill him.
The Calabar boy work for your Ghana?
He work for your Ghana and your Ghana won't be and he don't want settle him. So the boy won't come out, now he send people go kill him.
I know some of you will say this is a joke now. They joke now. This is the reason why where we are today, because everything they say, they will say is joke. They are not joking. They know what they are saying. They are not joking. I've seen so many of these videos. Even yesterday, live video where they are showing some people are there asking who are ready for hookup. And see some of guests jumping out, they are ready for hookup. They come outside there to do business. So you yourself know the reason why we are there too. This is Nigeria, the youth. Oh God, how did we get here? The youth of the nation that's supposed to stand and tell these old fools to leave. Because when you get old, you start behaving like them, because in your youth age you are not useful for the country. One of us will become president tomorrow, and when you become president, what Tinubu and what Buhari did is the same thing you will do, because in your youth age you are not useful for the country. Hello my people, no be smart, you know. Let's go and look into the next Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. They say for Zamfara State, for students, university students, say bandits and terrorists enter their adopted all the host students and scatter their hostel. This is happening live in Nigeria. When those men come outside to challenge their police, their military, they will say, hey, they should stop killing, they should stop killing, fine, they should stop killing, but police will be on checkpoint where they are robbing in the front. What's the need of them being in that checkpoint? When you talk through tomorrow, I tell you people that Nnamdi Kanu are many. Nnamdi Kanu are many. The ones you have not even seen, heard from, are watching closely what is happening. Very soon, their madness will be coming out, and you people cannot be able to accommodate what is coming. Let me play you the video of the hostel they destroyed.
Ku tsara ta kayan.
Gasa duka ta window wallahi suka shiga dakunan nan duka ta window suka fito da su a gani nan to ni amma ban san room nawa ne dakin ta ba wallahi san room nawa bane dakin ta gasa Ay, semua apa?
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, no be smart, you know. And see what is going on, and these students are nowhere to be found. I think there are so many operations, this operation, Dankatanka operation, these are going on. Why the military have not go and rescue them with this operation and stop this from happening in the first place with this operation? Everyone is mad in this country. I want to read out what the Nigeria military have said concerning the incident that happened in Himembano. They said that the Nigeria military said that they must revenge and they must brought to book all these perpetrators who attack the joint force, and they must do anything humanly possible to make sure they brought them to book. Sorry for the gods. The people they will bring to book tomorrow is innocent youth, or if they see you Igbo in your hand, they will brought you to book. Things are happening. Things are really happening. Hello, my wonderful people. Don't be smart, you know. And so we'll see them today. Now we'll bring a call. We'll go look into the next Ogbonge news we will get for hand today. They say the Nigeria bad road have lead some Nigeria military to judgment. What actually happened there is very horror. It's something that we are not going to show here. They say it's in Umunze, but the state where this thing happens not yet by disclosed. We are watching closely to see more, to get more information about what really happened here. But at a point that we will see is that the two soldiers lost their life instantly in the hands of gunmen. The thing is very horror. Most of you that have watched that video, it's very horror. We are not going to show the video here until where we'll get more details. Then we'll bring the video up. It's very horror, so YouTube will bring it down immediately. So or we are going to share it on our Twitter page. So follow this link to our Twitter page. You will get the video over there as well. Things are really happening in Nigeria right now. So please don't forget to share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very, very important. Turn your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person to get our update. I see the hot now, so we bring and they come. Okay, we will see you for the next update. Stay tuned.